even know what to say.
Wow.
This is like, have you ever seen me speechless?
No, actually I haven't.
I know, I've never seen you speechless, and I think you're pretty speechless. Oh my God, this is the best job in the world.
Well, we might as well sign in. Hi folks, Nathan Adlin and
Emmy Hall here at TFL Car. We're at the Cussler Museum outside of Boulder, Colorado, and wow.
My God.
So Keith, what we have here is a 1926 Hispano Suiza, and this is a really very, very special car. Now, how many are in the States now?
There are 12 of them.
12,
yeah.
okay.
And there are 5 of them, ironically, in Colorado.
Fascinating.
Yeah, and that's because of this car, because, you know, once you have something interesting, people want to, like, where'd you get that? That's cool. Can I get one?
What is behind me?
It's a pile of junk we call a 73 thing made by Volkswagen.
What you're looking at here is a 1930 Cadillac V16 Roadster. This is a personal thing for me because my father had a favorite car and he's been long dead, but this was it. This was his favorite. 452 cubic inch V16 under this hood and had a 3-speed synchro mesh manual transmission. These cars were and are some of the most elegant ever made. I hope you like this little tiny tidbit of history. What a beautiful car. For TFL Classics, this is Nathan Adlin. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, TFL Classics, to check out vehicles like this and other amazing classic cars. And don't forget to go to tflcar.com for news, views, and reviews. From Arvada, Colorado and the Cussler Museum, this is Nathan Adlin. Catch you next time.